Oke, assalamualaikum Mbak Mustaida.
Waalaikumsalam Mbak Yulfa.
How are you
Good
today?
afternoon. I'm fine. And
Good
you?
afternoon.
Betul.
Okay, last Saturday, Mr. Ritke sent us an article about explanation of picture language by stratification of system functional linguistic, and 19 as an example by Li Pingzhu. I think it is interesting article. In the article discuss about modern people, especially young people are beginning to use novel and interesting language in context of internet socialization, using the language of picture with 1019 to indicate that something does not exist. It is an example of holiday system functional theory, theoretical rule in the communication function of picture language. Okay, now let's start our discussion about the picture. Okay, first
Okay.
I want to share screen to you
Yeah.
about our material today. Okay, can you see my screen, Mbak Mus?
Not yet. Oh, not yet.
Not yet.
Oh,
Now?
I see.
Okay. Okay, can you explain first about our
Okay.
discussion today?
Okay. Today we will discuss about picture and its analysis. And the first introduction. Okay, the next screen.
Okay, next screen, okay.
Introduction here. In life, phenomena of deviant behavior are often found, and it creates friction in socializing. There are some pictures that show deviant behavior that can be learned for better life. And there are some verses of the Quran related to it. There are the first picture. It's expressed about snake in the grass.
Okay.
What's it mean? The next screen. Nah, I think this picture express about don't trust someone who is very good to us, because even the closest people can be a threat to us. I think like that. And what about your opinion, Mbak Yulfa?
Oh, I agree with you. Okay, let's see in the first picture, we can see a person who's smiling in front of someone.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, he carried a knife and stabbed him from behind. I think this picture gives a message that sometimes people who are good in front of us are not necessarily good. He could be our enemy. So, the implied message in this picture, we must be careful to people around us, because it could be that people close to us are our real enemies, and we can cite that snake in the grass. I
Yeah.
think I agree with you. And uh, and in the Quran, we can see in the At-Taghabun 64. Is it right, Miss Mustaida?
Yeah.
Can you explain it?
Okay. In Tagub in Tagubun 64, this is a verse. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu inna min azwajikum wa auladikum aduwalakum fahdaruhum. The meaning, you who believe, indeed among your wives and your children there are enemies to you, so beware of them. Nah, in these verses explain that people in around us not always kind to us. So we must aware and don't live 100% to theirs. I think
Okay.
it.
Okay, great, Miss Mustaida. Okay, and let's see second picture.
Okay.
Have you seen second picture?
Yes.
Okay, I will explain first.
Yes.
In the second picture, wow. No, sorry.
Yeah.
Second picture. In the second picture, we can see a woman showing her injured finger. He asks attention to a man. She wants the man to give attention to her wound. She was crying. She feel her problem. It's so heavy. The man was smiling and apologized to her. Actually, the man had more serious injuries than her. The one is from the multiple blades that are on his back, but he hid his wound. I think in this picture explains sometimes we feel our problems are bigger than other people. Though sometimes the other person has a bigger problem, but he hides it. And what do you think about this picture, Mbak Mustaida?
In this picture express about everybody has their own problems, just different level. The next screen, Mbak.
Okay. Oh.
Now, as a wisdom word, don't look at a book by its cover. It's similar to don't look at someone from the outside. Sometimes what someone goes through is worse than what we feel. In Java, jangan melihat seseorang dari jangan melihat seseorang dari penampilan luarnya atau sebagai manusia atau kita itu hanya sawang sinawang gitu. Dalam bahasa Jawanya sawang sinawang
Yes.
seperti itu.
Okay. Okay, next picture, Mbak Mustaida.
Okay, next picture.
How about this picture? What do you think about the third picture?
It is about a liar, a person who said something, but sometimes they say about liar thing or hoax.
Okay, I agree with you. And the third picture shows a leader giving a speech. His shadow and microphone blended together so that it resembles a Pinocchio doll. This doll has a nose that extends when he lying. In my opinion, I think this picture shows that nowadays many leaders are lying or giving false promise just to get power or position. Do you agree with me?
Okay, I think like that.
Okay, and the Quran, we can see Surat An-Nahl ayat 105. Can you help me to read the Quran, please?
Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Al-kadhibuna humul wa ulaika Allah. Di ayati yu'minun alladhi nal kadhiba yaktari innama. The only invent falsehood who don't believe in the verse of Allah, and it is those who are the liars. It is say, I think a person is often easy to make promises to attract public sympathy, but sometimes it is also easy to break them.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, the fourth picture. What do you think about this picture?
this picture about give charity openly. It means when we do something, we must believe that Allah always see what we do. I think like that.
Okay, and I think in the picture 4, we can see there are 3 bigger, but the bigger who earn money, more money, it is bigger who sit near CCTV. So this reflects the state of today's society of giving help to others just to get compliments. They even show off their gift or charity. And the Quran, we can see in the Al-Baqarah 271. Okay, Mbak Mustaidah, can you help me to write the ayat of Quran?
It's not clear.
It's not clear. Okay, okay, we can. Okay, I just want to.
I just to read the meaning. If you give charity openly, it is good, and if you hide it and give it to the poor, it's better for you. And this will cover some of your evil deeds. And Allah is well acquainted with what you do.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Mus. Okay, the last picture. It is very interesting. Parents ignore their son. I think in the last picture, we can see a family which consists of father, mother, and her son. But look at this parent. They are busy with their cell phone and don't care about their children. This image sends a message to parents that they should prioritize their children over their social life online, because today people live more in cyberspace than in the real world. What do you think about this picture, Mbak Mustaidah?
Yes, I think as parents must give a good example for the children. Nah, because the children can imitate the member of family too.
Okay.
The parent must harus peduli pada anaknya.
Pay attention.
Yeah, pay attention to the child, to her child, to their child.
Okay, good, Mustaidah. Okay, this is a nice discussion with you, and we can see in the Quran about family. We can see in At-Tahrim ayat 6. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Can you explain it?
Okay. Yes. The family is the first source of education for children. So as a parent, it is very necessary to set a good example in action, because every action of a family member will be very easily recorded in the child's memory. In At-Tahrim verse 6, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhalladzina amanu qu anfusakum wa ahlikum naro wa quduhan nasu wal hijarah 'alaiha malaikatun giladun sidatun la ya'dunallaha ma amarahum wa ya'lamuna ma yu'marun. Oh, you believe, we wish to reach Allah before death. Guard yourself and your families from the fire whose fuel is humans and stones. Over it are angels strong and steam, ruthless. They do not disobey Allah in what He commanded them, and do as they are commanded.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Mustaidah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, from our discussion, we can make some conclusion. Do you want to
Yeah.
explain it? What is our conclusion today?
Okay, I think this picture, we can get some conclusion. The first, the best of people are those who are useful to others. Then the second, in doing something, you should think about the risk that will face. Every action, good or bad, big or small, always surely reward you. And the last, let's improve our way of life to be better and useful for others.
Okay, nice presentation. It is nice discussion. I mean, thank you, Mbak Mustaida, for your time. See you next time.
See you too.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Bye.
I want to stop.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Sudah stop ya?
Okay. Now pause and stop.